Hello students, I am going to start with civics. Your first chapter of civics is what is democracy? Why democracy? In this chapter, the topics that we will be covering are definition of democracy, features of democracy, merits of democracy, demerits of democracy, and what distinguishes democracy from other forms of government. But today we will be discussing only first two topics. First topic is democracy. Democracy is a form of government in which the rulers are elected by the people. Democracy is the best form of government as the rulers are accountable to the people and to fulfill their needs. Democracy is based on consultation. In democracy, people enjoy several rights. Next topic is features of democracy. First feature of democracy is that major decisions are taken by elected leaders. But there are countries like Pakistan where elected representatives are not really the rulers. They cannot take the final decisions. The power to take final decision rests with army officials and generals. In a democracy, the final decision making power must rest with those elected by the people. Next, free and fair electoral competition. Democracy is based on free and fair elections. Elections offer a choice and fair opportunity to the people to change the current rulers. Holding elections of any kind is not sufficient. The election must offer a real choice between political alternatives. For example, in China, the elections do not offer the people any serious choice. They have to choose the ruling party and the candidates approved by it. Hence, we cannot call China a democratic country. Second example is the Institutional Revolutionary Party was very strong in Mexico till 2000. Opposition party did not contest but never managed to win because the PRI used dirty tricks to win elections. There were many reasons behind it. All the government employees had to attend party meetings. Teachers of government school forced parents to vote for PRI. Media largely ignore the activities of opposition. PRI spent a large sum of money in campaigning. Sometimes the polling booths were shifted from one place to another in the last minute. So, a democracy must be based on a free and fair election where those currently in power have a fair chances of losing. Third, one person, one vote, one value. Democracy is based on a fundamental principle of political equality. In a democracy, each adult citizen must have one vote and each vote must have one value. But there are many instances of denial of equal right to vote. But in Saudi Arabia, women do not have the right to vote. Also in Fiji, the electoral system is such that the vote of an indigenous Fiji has more value than that of the Indian Fijian. Fourth, rule of law and respect for rights. The state should respect some basic rights for the citizen. They should be free to think, to have opinion, to express these in public, to form association, to protest and take other political actions. Everyone should be equal in the eyes of law. These rights must be protected by an independent judiciary whose orders are obeyed by everyone. A democratic government rules within limits set by constitutional law and citizens' rights. That's it for today. Please go through the chapter line by line. Only then you will be able to understand the topics. Thank you. Have a nice day.